What are we gonna make?
Spicy noodle spring rolls. Taste test.
Bro, these stores got everything. They got some chicharron.
Mochi is good.
All right, we're leaving as a whole family.
Yep.
Are we all wearing black today? No way, we just
And
matched.
we're all wearing Crocs.
Yep. Croc gang, Croc gang, Croc gang. It's all right. But yo, we're on the way to a special spot. They got everything you can imagine when it comes to
international food.
All right, we just made it to the Hong Kong food market. And what did you say?
I said.
No, what did Joel say?
Yeah.
Huh? About the 1 hour parking.
Oh, we're probably gonna be here for longer than an hour.
Knowing Rosada, we might be. Hong Kong food market. That's why I love Houston. You can find any culture here you want. Bro, look at everything they have. Wow. They got the evil eye plants. So this is where all these girls be getting this stuff from, huh?
Now I get it.
Bro, these stores got everything. They got some chicharron. They got the shrooms on deck. The big shroom. Got eggs in a box. I'm being so for real though. Like, who needs this many mushrooms? Like, I'm just curious. I know all about the chicharrones, you know what I'm saying? I'm just so fascinated, bro. This is so interesting. What is this? Cafe Pho? Even got the bulldog hot sauce, bro. Like, in its own little bottle. Like, what the fudge? $5, bro.
Oh, hell.
Here it is, guys. This is what we're needing. The freaking spicy noodles. This is where they got all the freaking ramen at. Literally rows and rows of ramen. Instant noodles in a bag or bowl. All right, what noodles are y'all getting, guys? They got the 2X spicy, got the cheese, the corn, the jajang, and the carbonara.
This is not a carbonara.
Lately, I just been so obsessed with noodles. They never seen somebody vlog before. And yesterday we were watching Squid Games. Rosada's never seen Squid Games. We was watching it and like, bro, just ramen noodles and everything. It's so known and popular. And I think it's starting to grow on me. Like, I'm really starting to eat ramen noodles now. Just noodles in a box, a bag, whatever. It's just so good and so fast to make. We found what we need. What is that?
Rice paper.
What are we gonna make?
Spicy noodle spring rolls.
Yay! This store is so lit. They got all kinds of stuff. They got boba in a box. I'm not really a fan of it, but I know some people are. They got mochi. Got black corn. Joel, where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going, Joel?
Oh,
The desserts. Yeah. Let's see what desserts they got. Hopefully there's something busting. What is that?
What are those?
Mochi. You like mochi?
Only the ice cream, right?
I don't really like mochi. I've seen these so many times. Sesame balls. I never liked them. Look, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I like Asian food, but the desserts, I know they're healthy. You know what I'm saying? And coming from Hispanics and stuff, we're the opposite of healthy. You know what I'm saying? But their desserts are just not it. It's okay though. They got other good food. You know what I'm saying?
Mochi is good.
Wrong.
We all have our own opinions. It's okay.
Pickled macaque.
What?
Wait, what is the name?
Pickled macaque.
I don't think you're reading that right. Say it again.
Pickled macaque.
Pickled macaque. Joel potentially found some good desserts. What is this?
it's a Swiss roll white cake. I tried it before with asa. And
This looked like a damn cinnamon roll. Hopefully it's good.
Alright guys, so we're back home. I'm picking up the yellow bag noodles because those are like the less spicy and they taste the most good. So right now I'm just cooking the noodles. And then we're gonna drain them, put a little bit of milk, add cheese, and then add the little packet sauce, which is cheese and then the thing. And we got the cucumbers here. We got our rice paper. And I already have some heated up water, or water heated up. And I'm gonna put it in that bowl right there because the rice paper needs to be like dipped in hot water for the thing to work. So yeah, we'll update you. The noodles are in here. I have cheese on them, and then I put some heavy whipping cream because I don't have regular milk right now. So yeah, and it's on like low heat. I'm gonna put the hot water in this thing, and we're gonna soak the things and just have everything ready.
You wanna open this?
Yeah, we gotta open this. All right guys, so the noodles are done. We're gonna just put them right here. We need a fork. We're just gonna mix around the noodles a little bit so the cheese can get everywhere. I know it looks a little disgusting, but I promise it's good, okay?
I don't believe you.
So I heard you have to dip it in the water. What is going on?
You have to soak it for 5 seconds.
Oh, you have to soak it for 5 seconds?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
You're fucking dumb.
Wait, guys. This did not work. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna... Guys, this is what we're gonna work with because I don't know how to do that.
Because
so.
Rosa's fucking stupid.
We're gonna get our noodles, put them in here. We'll get the cucumber, put it in here. And then it's supposed to go like this, right?
Yeah, and then fold it, like fold the sides, like in. Fold the sides in.
Oh, this?
Like that, yeah. Okay, you did it wrong, but okay.
And then?
Just roll it. Keep rolling it. Whoa! You look fucking stupid.
Okay, try test.
It's a taste test.
A taste test.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. It's really like the same. It's just, you just added like rice paper and cucumber and that's it. But does it taste different?
The rice pepper doesn't really taste like anything, but like since it's all together, it's just like perfectly in your mouth.
That's what she said.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure.
It's good, right? Baby, you want to try it?
Yeah. What is it?
It's cucumber and rice paper and hot noodles. It's spicy.
Is it really spicy?
No, it's not.
So that was a lie.
Why does this feel like?
You dropped the cucumber.
It's okay, hold on.
Low key feel like.
Like balls?
Yeah.
Put it all in your mouth, bro.
What? Meh.
You don't like
You
it?
don't like it?
It's alright, but I wouldn't eat it.
I like it.
I like it too.
Alright guys, so this is how it's supposed to actually be. There's noodles and then we put 2 cucumbers and Joel is gonna eat it. It's too spicy for us, to be honest. It's good. We're probably gonna eat these noodles, or I'm gonna eat them, and then we're gonna make some pepino con limon because it's too spicy right now. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, even though this is kind of like my video instead of Julian's because he wasn't even in it.
Huh?
Did you like it or no?
The wraps. I'd give it a nice B+.
Okay.
It was good, but you know, it feels a little weird in my hands. It feels like a nutsack. Alright guys, I really want to get back into cooking, so do me a favor, if you have not yet, subscribe with notifications and let me know if we should make more cooking videos. I low-key think that we're starting to become better cookers and more experience, and you know, over time you get better at things. So if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, and here is the subscriber shout out. Boom.